Hello and welcome back. I'm your host, Cook of Soak. Before we get started, make sure you press that like button and subscribe. We're back on Nirn for Hearthfire Harvest Pilaf in the Elder Scrolls Cookbook Volume 2. This recipe serves 6. Place 1 pinch of saffron in a quarter cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 minutes. In a large pot, add 1/3 cup of roughly chopped pistachios and toast them slightly over medium heat. Cook them until they start to brown. This could take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Once the pistachios are toasted, remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add about 8 ounces of butternut squash that has been roughly chopped and cook it until it softens. This could take 8 to 10 minutes. My pieces of butternut squash were a little bit bigger than roughly chopped, so it ended up taking me about 15 minutes. When the squash is done, move it to a bowl and set aside for later. In the same pot, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add half of an onion that has been minced and cook it until it is translucent. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for 2 minutes until it is fragrant. Add the saffron water, 2 teaspoons of salt. This honestly seemed like a lot of salt to me, so I'd put in about 1 teaspoon of salt, but adjust it to your taste. Add 1/3 cup of dried cranberries, 2 cardamom pods, 1 cinnamon stick, and 3 3/4 cups of chicken broth. Bring this to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. Or, if you're like me and got tripped up by the instruction paragraph and combined 2 sentences, add the rice first, then stock, and bring to a boil. Oops. It still turned out well though. If you're following the book, add 1 1/4 cups of basmati rice and 1/4 cup of wild rice. Cover and cook until the rice is done. This will take about 20 minutes. When the rice is done, add in the cooked butternut squash and pistachios. Stir and transfer the rice to a serving platter. Alright, time for the taste test. The smell is amazing. The saffron, cardamom, and cinnamon gently enhance the chicken-flavored rice. I do like how it is not just one type of rice, but a variety for taste bud approval. The onions, cranberries, and squash sweeten the rice, but the sweetness is balanced by the savory garlic and chicken broth. The toasted pistachios provide a wonderful crunch. I definitely recommend this dish. You can have it either as a main meal or on the side of something meaty. Give this a try, you won't regret it. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it went in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.